Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. So today I will take you into the fascinating world of French accents. So let's begin. You might have observed there are marks over some of the French letters. These marks are called accents. These marks or signs play a vital role in the French pronunciation and meaning. The first one is the acute accent. Accent aigu. Accent aigu. It is found on the letter E. T in French is called as the. The. Omitting the accent aigu can change the meaning or make the words hard to understand. It's a diacritic mark that changes the pronunciation of letter E to more closed and higher pitched sound. The accent aigu plays a crucial role in French language, affecting the meaning and pronunciation of words. These are some examples of words with the acute accent. Une tasse de thé, a cup of tea. Thé noir, black tea. Thé vert, green tea. Thé à la menthe means mint tea. Let's learn some more examples. Café means coffee. Étudiant means student. Téléphone means telephone. Écrivain means writer. Étage means floor. Équipe means team. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.